Hello friends, welcome to our balcony stateroom tour. We are on the Royal Princess on Aloha Deck in room A436. So we're going to start the tour over here in the closet area. We have a full-length mirror on this side, and then on this side right next to it is the closet. So it's a pretty spacious closet. These hangers just came in with the room. We just got here, haven't gotten our suitcases yet, but these are the hangers that you already have, and then you can always ask for more. Up there we have our life jackets for the muster drills. Make sure that you go to your muster station, and it has the muster station on the life jacket for you. So in here is the bathroom. It is pretty tight, but that's pretty typical for cruise ships. So we have over here, we have some storage area for your toiletries. Also, at least on the Royal Princess, they do have liquid hand soap as well as some lotion from the spa. So that is very nice to have, because a lot of times they just give you the bar soap that really dries out your hands. So liquid hand soap is a really nice perk of the ship. So here we have the shower. To give you an idea of kind of the scale, I'm 5'2", so I'm pretty short, and this is plenty of room for me. But just to keep in mind, you know, how far down the shower head is if you're a little bit taller, just to give you kind of an idea of what to expect on.
And then there is the shampoo, conditioner,
and
body wash that comes complimentary on Princess.
Yeah, so you get a shower gel and then a shampoo and conditioner combined. So if you have a special shampoo or conditioner, you might want to bring that. But they do have some supplied for you if you want to use that instead. So we're going to head into the bedroom area. So we have the bed here, a nightstand on either side. Also, in this room, the TV is right here, right in front of the bed. That's where you can watch your muster station, your muster drill video, either on the TV or on your phone when you first get on the ship. Then we have a desk area over here. The outlets, there's not a lot of outlets. We checked, there's no outlets on that side of the bed. It looks like this is the only outlet area really. So we've got a couple of American outlets here, a European outlet, and then some outlets over here as well next to the phone. So that's where your outlets are. We have another mirror right here, and then if you look right directly across, there's a mirror there as well. So there's a few places for you to get ready. Then in here we have the refrigerator, and a few shelves right there as well that you can put some things on. So then we are gonna get to the balcony right here. So we're in the port of San Francisco. It's a little bit noisy because we're still in port, but we have 2 deck chairs and a little table that you can sit in and just enjoy the view from the balcony. So that, I think, pretty much concludes our tour of our balcony stateroom on the Aloha Deck of the Royal Princess. Thanks so much for joining us. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we hope you have great travels. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.